you want to activate or deactivate your Facebook account, here in this video, I'll exactly be teaching you in late 2020 how you can activate or deactivate your Facebook account. But before that, my name is Microtech, and if you like my content, consider hitting a subscribe button down below and push the notification bell to get notified when I upload my video. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, you have to open the Facebook app. Now you have to open the account which you want to deactivate in order to deactivate that account firstly. So as you can see, I have pointed an arrow there. You have to click on the three lines at your right hand corner of the screen. So I'm clicking on that, and now you can see this page. So after you have reached this page, I'm showing the arrow again. You have to go to settings and privacy. So after that, I'm again going to the settings where I have shown you the arrow. So that's settings, and now here in the settings you have to search deactivate. So now you'll see a file, account ownership and control. Here you can click on that. So now as you can clearly see, there's a deactivation button, so you can go on that. Here I've shown the arrow, and then if you want to delete your account, you can delete it by here, but we are here to deactivate, so it's right above and it's already marked. So we're going to go to continue account deactivation. Here for security, we have to enter our password. So guys, after entering your password, here you'll be reaching this page, account deactivation, why you want to deactivate your account. So let's say I have another Facebook account, or I need to study, so I'm deactivating my Facebook account. So I'll select I have another Facebook account and I'll go continuing. So after this, you can see what Facebook has given you, the thing you need to know before deactivating your account, and here it is written, you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in with your email and password. So now I'll deactivate my account. So after this, clicking this button, your account is deactivated, guys. So you can see account deactivation successful. So guys, after I've typed my info, here you can see my account is being reactivated, and now that's it, guys. My account is again logged back in. So if you like the video, guys, consider hitting a like button and subscribe button. It really helps me out. And for more future content, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. This is me, Microtech, signing out. Peace out.